Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add phone number in Amazon account on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, here you can go and open the Amazon application on your device. Well, after that, click on profile icon at the bottom. And then press your account menu. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. After that, you can select manage your profile. Okay, and then you can click here. And then you can add phone number in this section. Okay, and then here you can verify your phone number. And then continue. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add phone number in Amazon account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.